Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for no-bake cheesecake. This is one of my daughter's favorite things in the world, so let's get started.
As always, we start off with our ingredients. We need 1 package or 200 grams of graham crackers or butter cookies, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter. These are both for the crust. 2 8-ounce packages or about 400 grams of cream cheese, half a cup or 100 grams of sour cream or quark, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 3 cups or 600 milliliters of whipping cream, cornstarch to help the cream to whip up, which is optional. First off, we need to make our graham crackers or butter cookies into crumbs. I prefer using just my hands, but you can use a food processor or rolling pin, whichever method you prefer. Then pour in the melted butter, stir with a spoon. Pour the crumbs into whatever pan you're using today. I'm using 2 small pie plates, but this will make 1 large pie plate, if you don't have a pie form, then it will make 1 9-inch cake pan. Press the crumbs into the baking form as evenly as possible. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, sour cream, vanilla, and powdered sugar. Stir to combine. Try to get all the lumps out of the powdered sugar if possible. Then, in a separate bowl, whip your cream to soft peaks. Add cornstarch, as I did, if you prefer. It's just to make it a bit easier to whip. Make sure you don't overbeat. Gently fold the whipping cream into the cream cheese mixture. Pour into the prepared crusts. Spread as evenly as possible. Chill in the fridge at least 4 hours. When cutting, make sure you cut all the way through the crust. This creamy dessert is sweet and tangy and perfect for summer. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.